My name is Iandoli, and I am Annie's daughter, and I'm proud to announce my partnership with Yellowbrick to create the Annie's Daughters Scholarship Program. Annie's Daughters is a dedication to my mother, Anna. She passed away in February of 2019. During the time I was writing my book, God Save the Queens, my mother was fighting cancer, and it was because of her that I was able to even finish that book. From the moment I was a child, she just offered me the ability to pursue my dreams. The Annie's Daughters Scholarship will give qualified young women the opportunity to enter into the music industry in a way that I think is more innovative than I actually entered. You know, I was working at a record store. My first job was selling CDs at a Sam Goody, and from there I handed out flyers for the Roots, and then from there I started writing articles and worked at major labels, and my process was very different from the ascent of young industry professionals now. But a lot of them are mostly men. And what this will do is provide an opportunity for young women to just be able to receive the tools and the knowledge to enter this space in a way that has never been done before. It's a really hard climb, this industry, for anyone, but it's especially hard for women. And what I'd like to do is just provide a little bit of help. This Yellowbrick program will help you reach the next level because you'll be receiving credentials from a top university like NYU, which happens to be my alma mater. So in order to qualify for the scholarship, you must be a woman and provide an essay just explaining how the impact of one woman in your life, what that meant to you. Because I know the woman in my life that helped me reach my goals and achieve my dreams, and I want to know about the woman in your life who did the same for you. So winners of this scholarship will receive a free ride to Yellowbrick's Music Industry Essentials program, as well as a copy of my book, God Save the Queens, The Essential History of Women in Hip Hop, signed by me, and just a long-lasting education and the ability to continue my mother's legacy by receiving Annie's Daughters Scholarship. So in order to apply, click the link below.